So, good morning to all. Yesterday, we have discussed about the magnetic circuit, some definitions we have discussed, and today we will go for the comparison between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. Actually, this part we have to discuss after studying the series magnetic circuit. जैसा हमने सीरीज इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट पैरेलल इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट स्टडी किया ना, वो कंप्लीट करने के बाद करना है. बट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेबस we are following the sequence of your syllabus. So in the syllabus they have added here only. So I will explain briefly about that one. So in the electrical circuit, see, we are using the battery supply, that is electromotive force, we are going to call that one. EMF is given here, no, and one load resistance is given here. So this is the conductor, we are going to call as electrical wire or conductor here, no, conducting path. In that conducting path, current will flow here. Yes. So this is the closed conducting path, that is called electrical circuit, we are going to consider here now. Similarly, the magnetic circuit we are going to consider. See, this rectangular is there, this one, it is a iron part now. It is completely iron part here now. It is made some winding somewhere they have made here now. This is yan dikh rahe na idhar. This part is the winding here now. Just a minute, I will take the annotate, I will take that one. Spotlight. This one. See here. Winding kiya idhar. This is the winding. You can do here, we can do here, anywhere here now. We can add based on the number of turns here now. Some turns I have added here now. That is number of turns. N I am considering. This part is there. That is whatever the dotted line is there, that indicates the magnetic flux here now. So here supply देने के बाद current flow हो रहे, इधर supply देने के बाद magnetic flux flow हो रहे. Magnetic flux is flowing here now. First we will discuss about the circuit diagram only here. Circuit diagram. So MMF is nothing but the ability of current to produce the magnetic flux. In this one, we are flowing the current. Because of this current flowing here, it act as a magnet here now. This complete part is act as a magnet. The magnetic flux will be produced here. Magnetic flux will be produced. So to produce this flux, the MMF is given here now. So that is MMF, and the EMF we are going to consider. Here current is flowing, here flux is flowing here now. Whatever the resistance opposition is there, some opposition in the material itself it is there, that is reluctance, we are going to call that one here. That is reluctance here. So these two are the, this is electrical circuit, this is the magnetic circuit here. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first difference is the closed path of an electric current is called electric circuit we are going to consider. This is the closed conducting path of the current here now. In the current will flow always in the closed conducting path only. So it is a closed path of an electric current is called as electric circuit बोल रहे. The closed path of an magnetic circuit is called as magnetic circuit here. ये भी close रहे ना, flux close किए, dotted line. So these, whatever the difference we are discussing now, these are the similar differences we are going to consider here now. Similarities, both are similar only, but here magnetic circuit, here electrical circuit and magnetic circuit we are going to call that one here now. So next one, the current I. What is the current I formula? I equal to EMF by resistance. V by R. लिखना. I equal to V by R.
Yes, sir.
EMF is nothing but ERV, we can call that one, divided by resistance we are going to consider. Similarly, flux equal to MMF by reluctance, we can write down.
Yes, sir.
Flux equal to MMF by reluctance. So we can measure flux in Weber and current in ampere here now. And next one, EMF is required to cause flow of current in an electric circuit and measures in volt here now. EMF, it is the cause of flow of current in a circuit. It will cause us to, it will produce us the driving force to flow this current in a electric circuit here now. But MMF is required to establish flux in the magnetic circuit and measured in it here now. It is forced to flow the current here now, but the MMF is required to produce the flux here now. Once it is flux is produced, that is the MMF work is over here now, only to produce the flux in that one here. So that is MMF is required to the establish flux in the magnetic circuit and measures in ampere turn. Volt is measures in volts. We are going to call that one here. Next one. Come to the next point. We know that one, the laws of resistance is मालूम है. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of the conductor, inversely proportional to the cross sectional area, and it is also dependent on the temperature and all. R equal to rho L by A, we have already discussed here now. Yes, R equal to
Yes,
rho
sir.
L. Similarly, yesterday we have derived the formula for the reluctance. S equal to L divided by mu naught mu R A. Yes. Yesterday class only we have derived this one. S
Yes,
equal
sir.
to L divided by mu naught mu R A here now. So R is in ohm we are going to measure. The S is in ampere turns per, what is this one? Meter square we are going to consider. Area. Because of area only we have to consider that one. 56 roll number. Next one. This one from the EMF equation we can write this one. Don't consider this. Next, conductance. We know that one permeance. Conductance is the reciprocal of the resistance. Actually, we have not discussed, but we may study it in the physics and all the things here now, basic subject. Conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. In Siemens, we are going to consider. And similarly, in the magnetic circuit, we are going to call as permeance. We are going to call it is the reciprocal of reluctance. Resistance and reluctance both are same. Then conductance and permeance we are going to consider here now. We have discussed resistivity. We have discussed it. Have
Yes,
discussed
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
resistivity. So resistivity is nothing but specific resistance we are going to measure in ohm meter. Yes, but here like that only relativity is there. We have not discussed that one. K we are going to call that one relativity. Whatever the constant is there here, instead here rho will use. Here 1 by mu naught mu r is the K only we are going to consider here. That unit is ampere turn meter Weber, we are going to call that one. Ampere turn meter per Weber we are going to call that here. So reluctivity. So resistivity we have conductance is the reciprocal of resistance, and conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity we are going to call here now. Permeability is 1 by reluctivity. Permeability is 1 by reluctivity. Permeability we have discussed yesterday. So this conductance and conductivity we have not discussed, but you can take the notes, but you can read it, but no need to remember this one then. Actually syllabus it is not there, then also I am telling that one. Okay, next, current density, flux density we have discussed. Flux density. What do you mean by flux density then? Anyone? Flux per unit area we are going to call as flux density. Like that, current per unit area we are going to call as current density here now. Current is measured in ampere and area in meter square. Ampere meter square here now. That is delta we are going to call the current density. Similarly, in the electric magnetic circuit, flux density B equal to flux by area. Flux unit is Weber, area unit is meter square here now. So these are the some similarities are there. Again, some similarities are there. Electrical field strength we have discussed yesterday. Magnetic field strength mmf by L. H equal to mmf by L, and mmf equal to HL also we can write here now. Like that, electrical field strength, that is EMF by length. EMF per unit length we can consider that one. And for the magnetic field strength, mmf per unit length we can consider that one. So ampere turn meters here. Ampere turn means mmf unit. Volt is the EMF unit here now. We will consider that one here. Next, voltage drop equal to IR we are going to consider here now in that one. But mmf drop is nothing but phi S. Phi is the flux, S is the reluctance. Phi is the sorry. What is phi is the flux and S is the reluctance. Product of the flux and reluctance. And in the electrical circuit, product of current and resistance. That is actually Ohm's law. According to Ohm's law, V equal to IR we are going to consider. Similar way, mmf equal to phi S in ampere term we can tell that one here. And in the electrical circuit, some n numbers of resistances are connected in series, means we are going to total resistance equal to summation of individual resistance we are going to consider. R equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4, like that. Similar way in the magnetic circuit also we are going to consider S equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4, like that. But here in the electrical circuit we will not consider air gap. Here we will consider air gap also in the magnetic circuit. That is the one dissimilarities we are going to discuss here now. Clear? Any doubts regarding this comparison? Whatever you have studied, that one only we have put it in the table. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are all whatever we have discussed. These are similarities we are going to call similar, differences here now. Some dissimilarities are there. Actually, see the उधर पेन से लिखा वाला अच्छे से नहीं दिखा तो this here. This is actually they have given in the different manner they have given. First they have given magnetic circuits. Second they have given electrical circuit here now. So in the magnetic circuit, flux equal to mmf by reluctance, current equal to emf by resistance, like that they have written here now. Just a minute, ये change करने के लिए होते क्या देखता हूँ मैं. So these are the similar comparisons we are going to consider. Resistance equal to R equal to rho L by A. See, this is wrong here. No, rho L by A, not L by rho A here. Rho L by A, and reluctance equal to S equal to 1 by mu naught A. Mu is nothing but mu naught, mu R कर रहा है ना. So permeability equal to product of permeability of free space and relative permeability here. No, mu naught, mu R, A we have written here. No. So conductance you have not studied that one. Conductance is the reciprocal of the resistance we are going to consider. So 1 by resistance we are going to consider. Permeance is the 1 by reluctance here now. Reluctance already we know. Here the resistance also we know. Resistivity is nothing but specific resistance we are going to call, that is reluctivity here now. Conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Permeability is the reciprocal of reluctivity we are going to consider. Total EMF is nothing but, suppose 5 resistances are connected in series. Total EMF कैसे consider कर सकते हैं? Voltage drop in first resistance, voltage drop in second resistance, voltage drop in third resistance, like that summation we are going to consider. Similarly, we are going to consider product of phi and S1, phi and S2. Flux तो एक ही रहते हैं ना पूरा magnetic circuit में. Flux is only same. Here series connection में कैसे रहते हैं? Current एक ही रहते हैं ना. If the electrical circuit, only one current will flow in the all resistances. So here current is same, here flux is same. Only here resistance will be different for each branch. Here the reluctance is different here now. Phi S1, S2, S3. So total reluctance equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3. And here total resistance equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 for series circuit. We are going to call that one. These are the similar methods. Some dissimilarities are also there. That dissimilarities are nothing but electric current can be open. Electric current open रहते, किधर तो ओपन किया तो ओपन हो जाते, बट मैग्नेटिक सर्किट इज ऑलवेज क्लोज्ड पाथ में रहते. एक फ्लक्स एक पॉइंट से चालू हो गए तो वापस इट विल एंड कम टू द फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ पोल, इट विल रीचेस ओवर देयर. इसको टच करने के लिए गए तो भी ये स्ट्रेच हो जाते, बट इट विल नॉट ओपन ओवर देयर. That is the characteristics of magnetic circuit. Energy is continuously required to maintain current in the circuit. अभी हमने एक करंट है उसको किधर तो ओपन सर्किट किया तो वो करंट फ्लो होते क्या, स्विच ऑफ किया तो नो. बट हियर एनर्जी इज रिक्वायर्ड ओनली टू सेट अप द फ्लक्स प्रोड्यूस होने के लिए चाहिए. वंस द फ्लक्स इज प्रोड्यूस वी कैन फर्दर वी कैन रिमूव द रिक्वायर्ड एनर्जी सोर्सेस. Once the flux is produced we can remove that one here now, like that it is there. And resistance of the circuit is independent to the current here. Resistance of the circuit independent to the current को.
सर आवाज अडकतो तुमचा सर.
ब्लर क्लियर नहीं है क्या वॉइस? वॉइस
हाँ क्लियर नहीं आ रहा सर, बीच बीच में अड़क रहा है, ये हो रहा है, लैग हो रहा है.
एक मिनट,
लैग होता है मध्ये मध्ये.
एक मिनट. I'll switch the sim just a minute. थोड़ा एयरटेल का प्रॉब्लम है इधर. अभी देखो आ रहा है आवाज?
आ रही है
Yes,
सर.
sir.
येतोय सर, येतोय.
Okay. Resistance of the circuit is independent to the current. Resistance और current का कुछ dependent नहीं है. But reluctance of the circuit changes with magnetic flux. Flux change हो गए तो material का reluctance change हो जाते हैं. So these are the dissimilarities we are going to call. These are the dissimilarities. And one more. Current would not flow through the air until an arc is start here. No. Air में current produce हो जाते क्या? नहीं होते. छोटा सा एक स्विच में क्या रहते हैं? सो सम गैप दे आर गोइंग टू कंसिडर. बीच में हम कट किया तो करंट विल नॉट प्रोड्यूस अंटिल द आर्क. आर्क मींस व्हाट? उसको फायरिंग वन एक गैप रहते. गैप के बाद ये हाई वोल्टेज इंजीनियरिंग हु इज इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर्स, इफ द हाई वोल्टेज इज अप्लाइड you can provide 1 to 2 meter difference between one place to another place. Then also एक कनेक्शन से दूसरा कनेक्शन ज्वाइंट हो जाते. that much high voltage चाहिए required. So that is arc system we are going to consider here. So if arc is produced, then only it will conduct. Otherwise, find the current will not flow in the air gap or air, but flux can pass through air. Air में flux pass हो जाते हैं. If the source of EMF is removed, current is zero. EMF source volt battery supply remove किया तो current zero हो जाते हैं ना. But residual flux, some flux will remain in the material of the magnetic material here in the magnetic circuit. There are known insulator for electric circuit. इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट करंट को हम क्या कर सकते. अभी घर में वायरिंग किया है, वो वायरिंग के ऊपर इंसुलेशन रहते हैं ना, प्लास्टिक रहते हैं ना, उससे छोड़ के बाहर नहीं आ सकते. उसको इंसुलेटर बोलते हैं. हमने पर्टिकुलर पाथ को हमको इधर ही चाहिए बोल दे तो उधर ही ले सकते. बट नोन इंसुलेटर्स फॉर द मैग्नेटिक सर्किट. वो मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल से नॉर्थ टू साउथ इट विल ऑलवेज फ्लो द flux. It will create a path over there here. Now it is possible to pass the electric current to a definite path using insulation. Because of insulators we can pass. Suppose हमको बेडरूम में करंट चाहिए, बेडरूम तक लेके जाते. हमको ऊपर टेरेस पर चाहिए, टेरेस पर लेके जाते. But magnetic flux it is not possible to take from one place to another place over there. Is it clear? So these are the some difference between electric circuit and magnetic circuit. If you have any doubts, you can ask now only. Any doubts? Hello?
No,
Is it
sir.
all? Okay.
No, sir.
Then start to take the notes here now. You write neatly. One time you take down this one. This is if the offline exam is there means 200% fixed question है ये. 200% बोल रहा हूँ मैं. 200% ये क्वेश्चन आते हैं एग्जाम में. वो भी 1 मार्क्स 2 मार्क्स के लिए ऐसे 6 मार्क्स के लिए आ जाते हैं. ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन एग्जाम है तो. ऑनलाइन के लिए है तो कौन सा भी ये पूछ सकते हैं. इसके ऊपर एक डिफरेंस पूछ सकते हैं कुछ. Take the heading comparison between electric and magnetic circuits. Comparison between electric and magnetic circuit. Over. Make 2 columns. First पहले में लिखो electric circuit and second में लिखो magnetic circuit. जैसा इसमें है ऐसा मत लिखो. मैंने कैसा एक डिक्टेशन करता हूँ ऐसा लिखो. मैंने आगे पीछे करने वाला 2-3 पॉइंट फ्लो में चाहिए उसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ. ओके कॉलम बनाए.
Yes, sir.
इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट मैग्नेटिक सर्किट कॉलम बन के डायग्राम ले लो. दिस 2 डायग्राम. इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट में ये डायग्राम ले लो, मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में ये डायग्राम ले लो. ये डायग्राम दोनों डायग्राम होने के बाद मेरे को बोल दो. Rule number 22. Rule number 22. Rule number 22. Om Dikshit. Rule number 22.
Yes, sir.
टेस्ट क्यों नहीं दिए तुम? चैप्टर टेस्ट क्यों नहीं दिए? हाँ, पास होना है क्या नहीं होना है? See, I don't know about other subjects. For my subject, I'm telling you people strictly, you have to follow everything. Time assignment you have to submit, the test, chapter test, everything is depending on your marks. Single marks. Suppose one chapter test you are absent means you will lose 5 to 6 marks in the term one. Remember that. I don't know. I will not give to anybody. I will directly upload to the. I am the examination coordinator. I can upload that one into the university. क्यों सबमिट किए नहीं किए? बाद में कॉल करो क्लास होने के बाद. रोल नंबर 22. ओवर. डायग्राम ले ली?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, first one, number 1 लिखो. The closed path of an electric current is called. The closed path of an electric current. The closed path of an electric current is called electric circuit. The closed path of an electric current is called as electric circuit. The magnetic circuit you write down here, a column में. The closed path of an magnetic flux. The closed path of an magnetic flux. The closed path of an magnetic flux is called as magnetic circuit. Is called as magnetic circuit. Is called as magnetic circuit. Full point. Next line, second one, number 2 you write down. Current equal to EMF by resistance. Current equal to EMF by resistance. The electrical circuit. Current equal to EMF by resistance. इस साइड में लिख दो. Flux equal to MMF divided by reluctance. Flux equal to MMF by reluctance. MMF by reluctance. Understand it. Okay, next. EMF equal to current into resistance. EMF equal to current into resistance, you write down. EMF equal to current into resistance in volts. EMF equal to current into resistance in volts. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next, this side में लिखो. MMF equal to flux into reluctance. Flux into reluctance in ampere turns. Full point. Similarly, current को तो already लिखा है ना. Okay, write down. Next line. Current in amperes. Fourth one. Current in amperes. current in amperes. Here flux in Webers, flux in Webers, flux in Webers. Flux in Webers. Next line, current density equal to I by A in ampere per meter square. Current density equal to I by A. Current per unit area is nothing but ampere meter square. Unit is ampere meter square. Current density equal to I by A in A by M square. You write like this, in A by M square. Next, in the magnetic circuit, you write down flux density B equal to phi by A, phi symbol A, phi, this one divided by A, phi by A, phi by A in Weber per meter square, in Weber per meter square, Weber per meter square. Okay, next line, reluctance इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट में लिखो, reluctance R equal to, sorry, resistance है ना?
Resistance. Yes, sir.
resistance R equal to rho L by A. Resistance R equal to rho L by A. Rho L by A. ये मत लिखो, रेड कलर का मत लिखो. Don't write that red color part. Okay, resistance R equal to rho L by A. In the magnetic circuit, you write down reluctance S equal to L divided by mu A, equal to L divided by mu naught mu R A, L divided by mu naught mu R A, L divided by mu naught mu R A, L equal to mu naught mu R A. Full point. Next line, resistance resistivity, इधर लिखो एक मिनट, resistivity in ohm meter, resistivity in ohm meter, that's it. Resistivity in ohm meter लिखो, resistivity in ohm meter. Magnetic circuit side में लिखो, reluctivity in ampere turn meter per Weber. Ampere turn meter per Weber. Reluctivity in ampere turn ATM by WB is nothing but Weber. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next one, next line you write down. Next one, conductance equal to 1 by resistance. 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 In the magnetic side, permeance, PRMEANCE, permeance equal to 1 by reluctance. Permeance equal to 1 by reluctance. 1 by reluctance. 1 by reluctance. Over.
Yes, sir.
Next slide, this side, electrical side. Conductivity equal to 1 by resistivity. 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 The magnetic circuit side you write down permeability equal to 1 by reluctivity. Permeability equal to 1 by reluctivity. 1 by reluctivity. हो गया और कौन सा बच गया अभी? Next slide is write down. Next one. Total EMF equal to IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3, IR1 plus IR2 plus IR3 plus dash dash dash. After infinity we can write down, and here you write down total MMF equal to total MMF equal to phi S1 plus phi S2 plus phi S2 plus phi S3 plus dash dash dash. For series circuit बोल रहा हूँ मैं ये, for series circuit. Next one, next line you write down total resistance in series circuit equal to 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 R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus dash dash dash. R1 plus R2 plus R3 dash dash dash. And total इसमें लिखो मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में total reluctance in series circuit, total reluctance in series circuit total reluctance in series circuit equal to S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus dash 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 over.
Yes, sir.
कितना हो गया टोटल डिफरेंसेस?
11.
11 हो गए क्या?
11.
और तुम एक्स्ट्रा भी लिख सकते हो, उसका फार्मूला आगे पीछे करके. अभी रेजिस्टेंस का फार्मूला नहीं लिखा है हमने. R इक्वल टू V बाई I कहाँ लिखा है? नहीं लिखा ना. ओम्स लॉ के हिसाब से ही तीन हो जाते हैं. V इक्वल टू IR, I इक्वल टू V बाई R, R इक्वल टू V बाई I. वो तीन लिख सकते. और ये भी नहीं लिखा वोल्टेज ड्रॉप, टोटल वोल्टेज ड्रॉप इक्वल टू IR here 5 years. ऐसा you can increase the strength, you can increase that one also. इसको ओनली डायरेक्ट लिखा था क्या? कंपैरिजन बिटवीन इलेक्ट्रिकल एंड मैग्नेटिक सर्किट लिखा है क्या हेडिंग?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
उसका नीचे कुछ स्पेस है तो उसको सिमिलैरिटीज बोल के लिख सकते क्या?
Yes, sir.
सिमिलैरिटीज बोल के लिखो. ये अभी डिस्कशन किए वाला सिमिलैरिटीज है. सिमिलर डिफरेंसेस, दिस ऑल आर सिमिलैरिटीज. इसका बीच में हेडिंग और ये इलेक्ट्रिक का मैग्नेटिक सर्किट का बीच में लिखो. किधर तो रेड पेन से यूज करो, नहीं तो पेंसिल से लिखो, पेन से लिखो. सिमिलैरिटीज बोल के. अभी 11 लिए ना, ये सिमिलैरिटीज हो गए. लिखा है क्या?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्या है, डिसिमिलरिटीज बोल के हेडिंग ले लो, इसमें ये कंटिन्यूएशन पार्ट है, ये भी इसका कंटिन्यूएशन पार्ट। डिसिमिलरिटीज, डिसिमिलरिटीज, डिसिमिलरिटीज बोल के लिख के फिर इलेक्ट्रिकल सर्किट मैग्नेटिक सर्किट हेडिंग ले लो। डिसिमिलरिटीज, डिसिमिलरिटीज। ओके, दो टेबल बनाओ, इसमें फॉर्मूला वगैरह नहीं आते, ओनली एक्सप्लेनेशन इज देयर हियर। number one you write down the electrical circuit. Electric circuit can be open, electrical circuit can be open, electrical circuit can be open, electric circuit can be open. Opposite side लिखो अभी मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में, मैग्नेटिक सर्किट always closed, मैग्नेटिक सर्किट always closed, always closed. First one. Okay,
Yes.
second one, number two you write down. Number two, energy is continuously required, थोड़ा ब्लर है उसके लिए मैं रीड कर रहा हूँ। Energy is continuously required, energy is continuously required to maintain, energy is continuously required to maintain current in circuit. Energy is continuously required to maintain the current in circuit, current in circuit. Opposite side you write down, energy is required only, energy is required only to set up flux, to set up flux, comma, to set up flux, comma, after that no further energy required, after that no further energy required, no further energy required, after that no further energy required. Number three, resistance of the circuit is independent to the current, resistance of the circuit, resistance of the circuit is, resistance of the circuit is independent to the current, independent to the current. Magnetic circuit side में लिखो, reluctance of the circuit changes, reluctance of the circuit, reluctance of the circuit changes with magnetic flux, changes with magnetic flux, changes with magnetic flux. Full point. Fourth one, electrical side, current would not flow through air, current would not flows through air, current would not flows through air until until an arc is start, until an arc start, until an arc, arc start. Current would not flow through air until an arc start. Magnetic side लिखो, flux can pass through air also, flux can pass through air, that's it, flux can pass through air, flux can pass through air. Full point. Fifth one, if the source of EMF is removed, if the source of EMF is removed, if the source of EMF is removed, 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 current in the circuit is zero. Removed, comma, removed होने के बाद comma लिखो. Current in the circuit is zero. Current in the circuit is zero. Current in the circuit is zero. Next, in the magnetic circuit side लिखो. Residual flux persists. Residual RESIDUAL. Residual flux persists 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 after removal of the source, after removal of source MMF. Residual flux persists after removal of source MMF. Source MMF. रेसिडुअल फ्लक्स मीन्स क्या है? थोड़ा बचते हैं अभी, कुछ तो गिर गए फ्लोर के नीचे, कुछ साकर वगैरह ला रहे सडनली गिर गए तो वो सब क्लीन करके लेते, फिर भी थोड़ा थोड़ा बचते ना उधर इधर. यस,
Yes, sir.
दैट इज रेसिडुअल. हमने सब कुछ अभी रिमूव करने के लिए ट्राई किए, फिर भी उसको अंदर समथिंग इज देयर, सम फ्लक्स विल बी रिमेन्स इन द मटेरियल इटसेल्फ. सो दैट वन वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल रेसिडुअल फ्लक्स बोलते हैं. सिक्स्थ वन, there are known insulators in electric circuit. There are known 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 insulators. There are known insulators in electric circuit. In electric circuit. In electric circuit. Magnetic side लिखो. No known insulators for magnetic flux. No known 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 insulators for magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. Insulators देखा है क्या तुम लोग? Have you seen the insulators? Anyone? देखा है क्या कोई insulators? सबके घर को कैसे है सप्लाई? वो बाजू गली में पोल्स है ना, इलेक्ट्रिकल पोल्स. इलेक्ट्रिकल पोल्स तो देखा है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
पोल के ऊपर एक वायर होल्ड करने के लिए चॉकलेट कलर का रहते, देखा है क्या? डार्क चॉकलेट कलर. दैट इज द इंसुलेटर. सपोज वो यूज नहीं किया तो वो पोल के अंदर भी करंट घुस सकते हैं ना, है ना?
Yes, sir.
दैट इज वो हर एक वायर को एक एक रखते, देखो कप जैसा रखते रहते, डार्क चॉकलेट कलर का. दैट वन वी आर गोइंग टू पुट ऑन दैट वन, द कंडक्टर विल बी होल्डेड. दैट वन कंडक्टर होल्ड करके उसको टाई किए वाला रहता है. सो द मेन इंटेंशन ऑफ यूजिंग दैट वन इज द करंट शुड नॉट लीकेज टू थ्रू ए पोल. पोल थ्रू करंट आ गए, सप्लाई आ गए, कोई टच किए, उसको इलेक्ट्रिकल शॉक लग जाते, उसको अवॉइड करने के लिए insulators main work is to oppose the flow of current. The flow of current in the insulator is zero. उसके अंदर करंट पास नहीं हो सकते इंसुलेटर के अंदर. so conductivity will be zero रहते उधर, opposition will be infinity, conductivity will be zero. so that is the insulators हम बोलते हैं. ऐसा मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में कौन सा भी नहीं है, इसमें फ्लक्स फ्लो नहीं होते बोल के ऐसा. so there is no known insulators are not present in the magnetic circuit. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, last one you take down. Electrical side. It is possible to pass the electrical current. It is possible to pass the electric current. Pass the electric current to a definite path. To a definite path using insulation. It is possible to pass the electric current to a definite path using insulation. Magnetic circuit में लिखो. It is not possible to pass the flux. It is not possible to pass the flux, to pass the flux to one path. It is not possible to pass the flux to one path here now. See how I have just now I told that one, because of insulators. Insulators are there which will stops to where the current should flow, should not flow over there. So in the electrical circuit only I will tell that one. The generation is somewhere in the dams and thermal power plant and all that. We are required the load here. The supply is required to our houses. So we are bringing that one from by using the insulators and all of that one. So हमको इधर चाहिए तो इधर ही ले सकते हैं, बट फॉर द मैग्नेटिक सर्किट में ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. दैट इज द difference between dissimilarities we are going to call difference between electric circuit and magnetic circuit here. So someone has signed in this Google Zoom. It is audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which is the next class? Okay, we'll stop here only and we'll continue in the next class.